Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Royale box break number 20. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Here's a serial number, NE939-41791. So let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. Here we go, pack one. We have base and base. We have an All the Kings Men jersey card for the Leafs of Dion Phaneuf. And a Ruby parallel card for the Blues of TJ Oshie. And base. Pack two. We have base and base. We have a Scratching the Surface signatures card for the Leafs of Jonas Gustafsson. Card goes to Toronto. Decoy. And we have an Ice Kings for the Avalanche of Gabriel Landeskog. And base. Pack three. Yeah, base and base. We have a rookie hit for the Penguins of Joe Vitale. Decoy. And a hit for the Islanders, rookie card of Mikko Koskinen. And base. And last pack to finish it off. You have base and base. We have a nice hit here. All the Kings Men patch card for the Rangers of Henrik Lundqvist. Short print 6/25. A hit for the Blackhawks of Stan Mikita. And then finish it off base. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.